When a woman truly loves you, she doesn't always say it in words. She shows it, sometimes softly, sometimes through actions so subtle you could miss them if you weren't paying attention. The truth is, love isn't always grand gestures or constant words of affection. Real love is often quiet, consistent, and deeply rooted in the little things she gives you without even realizing their worth. Because when a woman gives you certain things, not money, not gifts, not flattery, but her energy, her effort, and her peace, she's giving you parts of herself that she doesn't give to just anyone. And if you're wise enough to recognize these three things, you'll know she loves you more than you think. The first thing she gives you is her patience. Understand this, a woman's patience is not something she offers freely. It's earned. It's a form of emotional trust that takes time to build. When she truly loves you, she learns to be patient with your flaws, your silence, your struggles, and even your moments of emotional distance. She tries to understand you when you can't even understand yourself. She listens when you don't have the words to express what's wrong. She doesn't rush you into being perfect. Instead, she waits for you to grow. Patience, for her, is love in disguise. Because every time she chooses not to argue when she could, every time she chooses peace instead of proving a point, every time she chooses to stay when walking away would be easier, that's love. That's her heart choosing you over her ego. You see, patience is a quiet language of love. It doesn't need validation. It doesn't need recognition. It's simply there, in her tone when she speaks softly even after you've been distant, in her decision to forgive you when you don't even ask for forgiveness, in her calmness when she could have easily matched your anger. When a woman gives you patience, she's giving you emotional safety. She's telling you, I believe in who you can become, not just who you are right now. And that is one of the rarest forms of love, because it takes strength to be patient in a world where everyone is quick to leave. The second thing she gives you is her vulnerability. This is something men often overlook because they mistake her openness for simplicity. But vulnerability in a woman is sacred. She's been taught to protect it, to guard her emotions, to never reveal too much. So when she opens up to you, when she allows you to see her insecurities, her fears, her childhood wounds, her hidden dreams, she's not just sharing her thoughts, she's giving you access to her soul. A woman's vulnerability is the doorway to her love. When she lets you in on her quiet struggles, when she tells you about the things that hurt her in the past, when she cries in front of you and doesn't hide her face, when she allows you to see her at her weakest, that's her saying, I trust you to see the parts of me that I hide from the world. And that trust is something you should never take lightly, because behind that vulnerability is a woman who has been hurt, disappointed, and still chose to try again. She chose to love again. She chose to believe that you're different. And when she gives you that kind of emotional transparency, she's not being dramatic. She's being real. She's showing you the version of her that very few people ever get to see. But here's the thing. A lot of men lose women not because she stopped loving them, but because she stopped feeling safe enough to be vulnerable. When a woman senses that her openness is being mocked, ignored, or dismissed, she withdraws. She goes quiet. She stops sharing. And that silence is the beginning of emotional distance. So when she gives you her vulnerability, hold it gently. Protect it, because it's her way of saying, I'm giving you a piece of my heart. Please don't break it. And the third thing she gives you, the most powerful of them all, is her peace. A woman's peace is the most precious thing she owns. It's what she guards fiercely after she's been through storms, heartbreaks, and disappointments. So when she gives you peace, when she allows you into her calm space, when she chooses not to bring chaos into your life, when she becomes your home instead of your battlefield, that's love at its purest. When she gives you peace, she doesn't fight you just to prove she's right. She doesn't compete with you for dominance. She doesn't drain you with constant drama. Instead, she supports you, she nurtures you, and she builds a space where your soul can rest. That kind of love is rare because it takes emotional maturity to love someone in peace, not just passion. A woman who truly loves you wants to be your peace, not your punishment. She'll bring calmness into your storms. She'll speak life into your silence. She'll comfort you when you feel like the world is against you. She'll make you feel seen when you've been invisible to everyone else. That's the kind of love that makes you breathe differently. It doesn't make noise, but it transforms everything around you. And yet, most men don't realize how deep that gesture goes. They take her peace for granted. They confuse her calm for weakness, her silence for lack of interest. But what they fail to understand is it takes an incredibly strong woman to love without chaos. It takes an evolved woman to give peace instead of pain. And when she gives that to you, she's saying, I trust you not to destroy the calm I built. When a woman gives you patience, she's teaching you unconditional love. When she gives you vulnerability, she's showing you emotional trust. When she gives you peace, she's offering you the foundation of a lifetime partnership. These three gifts are worth more than any expensive gesture or material thing, because they come from her essence, from her heart, from her deepest emotional space. But the question is, do you see it? Do you recognize it when she chooses to stay silent instead of shouting back? Do you notice it when she's listening instead of arguing? Do you feel it when she chooses to nurture instead of criticize? Do you understand that these small things are her love in its purest form? A woman's love isn't always obvious. It's not always loud. Sometimes it's hidden in her small actions, like checking on you even when she's upset, like remembering your favorite meal, like holding back her tears just to make you smile. These aren't just random gestures, they're extensions of her heart. When a woman loves you more than you know, her love will feel like comfort after chaos. It will feel like safety after years of uncertainty. It will feel like a home you never knew you needed. You won't need to question her loyalty or her intentions because they'll speak through the consistency of her actions. And here's the truth. If you ever find a woman who gives you these three things, her patience, her vulnerability, and her peace, you have found something extraordinary. Because in a world where most people love for convenience, she loves with depth. In a world where many love for what they can gain, she loves by giving. And in a world where many chase excitement, she offers you stillness, the kind of stillness that feels like forever. Love like that doesn't come twice. If you have it, protect it. Don't make her regret choosing you. Don't test the limits of her patience or play with her vulnerability. Don't bring chaos into her peace. Because once a woman withdraws these three things, once she stops giving her energy to you, it's almost impossible to get them back. She won't hate you. She won't fight you. She'll simply detach quietly, peacefully, completely. And that's when you'll realize how much she loved you. Because love like hers doesn't vanish with noise. It fades in silence. It disappears not because she stopped caring, but because she learned to care for herself again. So when a woman gives you patience, treat her gently. When she gives you vulnerability, handle her with care. When she gives you peace, protect it like it's your own. Because one day, you'll look back and realize that these weren't just gestures. They were love stories written without words. And if you were lucky enough to experience them, even once, you've already been loved more deeply than most men will ever know. Because real love isn't in what she says, but in what she gives without asking for anything in return. And when she gives you these three things, she's not just loving you, she's choosing you, believing in you, and building something sacred with you. A woman like that is rare. And if you ever find her, you'll understand that love isn't about possession or perfection. It's about peace, trust, and patience. That's when you'll know she loves you more than you ever imagined. When a woman loves you more than you know, she starts showing it in ways that don't look like love to the untrained eye. You might think she's just being understanding or kind, but what she's really doing is pouring her heart into the small spaces of your life, the spaces that most people overlook. Her love starts blending into your days, into your silence, into your chaos. You won't always see it in how she smiles or what she says. You'll feel it in how she stays, how she adjusts, how she chooses you even on the days you don't deserve to be chosen. When she gives you patience, it's not because she doesn't have a limit. It's because she's fighting with herself to keep believing in you. Her patience is an act of faith. It's her whispering to herself that love is still worth it, even when things aren't easy. Every time she forgives something you didn't even apologize for, she's showing love in its rawest form. She's giving you room to grow, even when you're still learning how to love her the way she needs. And when she waits for you to open up, when she doesn't pressure you to speak before you're ready, that's her love in patience again. Because she knows that love isn't about forcing someone to be emotionally ready. It's about creating the space where they can become ready on their own. That's her silently saying, I'll wait until you're ready to let me in. She knows your walls weren't built overnight, so she doesn't expect them to fall overnight either. She's willing to stand outside them, patiently, until you realize that she's not there to break them down. She's there to help you build a door. And her vulnerability, that's where her soul meets yours. When she opens up to you, it's not because she wants sympathy, it's because she wants to be seen. A woman's vulnerability is her love language. It's how she says, you matter enough for me to risk being hurt. It's how she says, I trust you enough to show you my unfiltered self. Sometimes she'll tell you stories from her past that she's never told anyone. She'll share the mistakes she's made, the heartbreaks she's survived, the dreams she still has buried deep inside her. She'll tell you about the nights she cried herself to sleep and the moments that made her lose faith in people. Not because she wants your pity, but because she wants you to understand the roads that led her to you. When she gives you that level of honesty, she's inviting you to see her, not just the version of her that smiles and holds it together, but the version that's soft, real, and human. You see, love isn't built on perfection, it's built on the courage to be real. And when she's vulnerable with you, she's offering you the foundation for something deep and lasting. That's not weakness, that's bravery. Because it takes courage to trust again after being broken. It takes faith to open up after being shut down so many times. And when she does that for you, you should understand that her heart isn't made of glass. It's made of fire, and she's letting you close enough to feel its warmth. Then comes her peace, the most silent, yet the most powerful expression of love. When she loves you deeply, her goal is not to control you, not to argue with you endlessly, not to drain you emotionally. She wants to be your calm. She wants to be your quiet place after a long day of noise. That's why she doesn't always fight you when you're distant. That's why she chooses peace even when she's hurt. It's not because she doesn't care. It's because she knows the value of peace in love. When a woman gives you peace, she's not trying to fix every problem overnight. She's simply trying to show you that love doesn't have to be chaos. She wants to show you that two people can love each other without constant war. Her peace comes through in how she listens to you, in how she lets small things go, in how she doesn't always demand your attention, but is always there when you need it. That's love. Quiet, steady, real. She gives you peace when she respects your silence, when she doesn't take your moments of withdrawal personally, when she understands that you sometimes need time to think, to breathe, to rebuild yourself. That kind of understanding doesn't come from indifference. It comes from emotional maturity. It's love that's grown beyond insecurity. When she gives you peace, she becomes your home, the kind of home you didn't even know you needed, the kind of home that doesn't demand that you be someone else to be loved. She gives you a love that doesn't shout. It whispers. It doesn't chain you, it frees you. It doesn't question your worth. It reminds you of it. And when you're with her, you'll start to feel a shift within yourself. You'll realize that you're calmer, more focused, more centered. You'll notice that you're not chasing anything anymore because her love grounds you. That's what happens when a woman gives you peace. She becomes the anchor in a world that keeps trying to pull you away. But here's the part most men miss. The peace she gives you costs her energy. It's not easy for her to stay calm when she feels unappreciated. It's not easy for her to keep giving love when she feels unseen. So if she gives you her peace, protect it. Don't make her regret choosing to love you gently. Don't take advantage of her understanding nature. Because the moment she starts to feel that her peace is being disturbed, she will start to pull away and she won't announce it. She'll just slowly disappear. When a woman loves you more than you know, her love becomes the quiet force that keeps you steady even when everything else in your life feels uncertain. You might not notice it right away, but her presence changes you. It teaches you patience. It teaches you empathy. It teaches you what love actually looks like when it's real. You'll find yourself missing her in moments that seem ordinary. When you hear a song she loved, when you remember the way she used to make you feel without even trying. You'll realize that her love wasn't about grand words or big promises. It was in the way she believed in you when you didn't believe in yourself. It was in the way she stood by you when no one else did. It was in the way she made you feel enough even when you were still figuring yourself out. A woman's love doesn't always come with fireworks. Sometimes it comes with stillness. It comes in the quiet moments when she sits next to you and doesn't say a word, but somehow makes you feel like everything will be okay. It comes in the way she looks at you, not with excitement, but with peace, because when she loves you deeply, her love becomes a safe place, not a battlefield. She will challenge you too, not to control you, but to help you grow. She will tell you the truth, even when it hurts. She will hold you accountable because she believes in your potential. That's love too, because love isn't just about making you comfortable. It's about making you better. And when a woman loves you, she invests herself in your growth. She doesn't want to just share your present. She wants to build your future with you. She'll pray for you when you don't even know it. She'll defend you when you're not around. She'll protect your image, your dreams, your heart. Not because she's trying to gain anything, but because she sees something in you that's worth protecting. That's her love. Selfless, quiet, deep. She'll notice things you don't even notice about yourself. She'll see when you're stressed, even when you're trying to hide it. She'll hear the difference in your tone when something's wrong. She'll know when you're tired, when you're discouraged, when you're losing faith in yourself. And instead of nagging or criticizing, she'll encourage you softly. She'll remind you of your worth. She'll speak life into you when the world is speaking doubt. That's how a woman loves when she loves with her soul. She doesn't love for attention. She doesn't love to be seen. She loves because